Joseph Henry is observed another method to get the induced EMF in the coil. Already was observed one method to get the induced EMF in the coil is self-induction. But now we are discussing the another method to get the mutual induction, induced EMF, that is mutual induction. Joseph Henry not only observed the self-induction and also observed another method, that is mutual induction, to get the induced EMF in the coil. Mutual induction. Now, what is the mutual induction? Induced EMF is established in the secondary coil. Means he was taken two coils. One is primary, another one is secondary. He was taken two coils. One coil is primary, another coil is secondary. Induced EMF is established in the secondary coil when the varying current is passing through the primary coil when both coils are coaxial. This effect is called mutual induction. It is observed by Henry. In the previous what we have studied, self-induction. In the self-induction he was taken only one coil, but mutual induction two coils. The two coils, one is primary, another one is secondary, but both should be a coaxial. Now, induced EMF. Now, what is the definition of mutual induction? Induced EMF is established in the secondary coil when the varying current is passing through the primary coil when both coils are coaxial. This effect is called mutual induction. It is observed by Henry. Now, what is the use of mutual induction? Transformer works under mutual induction. Transformer, this is one of the important question. We will discuss that in the 10th chapter. This is the 9th chapter. In the 10th chapter, we will discuss about the construction and working of the transformer. Transformer works under mutual induction. Now, we want to prove that. Now, here we take two coils, primary coil, secondary coil. Through the primary coil, which is flows, varying current flows. We know that when varying current is passing through the coil, along its axial line, varying magnetic flux is established. When the varying current is passing through the coil or primary coil, along its axial line, varying magnetic flux is established. This varying magnetic flux is associated with the secondary coil. As a result, in the secondary coil, induced EMF is established in the opposite direction of varying magnetic flux as per Faraday's law. Okay, that I am written. Varying current in the primary coil produces varying magnetic flux along its axial line, which is associated with the secondary coil. As a result, induced EMF established in the secondary coil. Okay, this is happened. But in which direction? In an opposite direction. Okay, this is about the mutual induction. Now, in the mutual induction also we will discuss about one constant that is called as coefficient of mutual induction. Now, what is the symbol for the coefficient of mutual induction? Capital M. This coefficient of mutual induction, capital M. Now, how? Induced current in the secondary coil is proportional to association of magnetic flux with it. So, flux phi proportional to I. If you remove the proportional, we will get constant. That constant is M. M is called phi by I. This M is called coefficient of mutual induction. Now, what is the mathematical expression for the coefficient of mutual induction? M is equal phi by I. Self-induction, L is equal to phi by I. M also phi by I. If coil has number of turns, Number of turns means n turns, m is equal n phi by I. Okay. What is the mathematical expression for the coefficient of mutual induction? Capital M is equal to phi by I. Otherwise, the coil has number of turns, m is equal to n phi by I. Now, what is the unit for the coefficient of mutual induction? Again, his name. His name means Henry. Self-induction and mutual induction, both units are same. What are the units for both? Henry. Okay. Now, as per Faraday law, as per Faraday law, what happened? E is equal to minus d phi by dt. Okay, minus d by dt. What about phi? Phi is equal to mi. Phi is equal to mi. So m is constant. Take outside. M is constant. Take outside. Then what we can get? M is equal to E by minus di by dt. This is another mathematical expression for coefficient of mutual induction. It is also one of the important question in this chapter. Define coefficient of mutual induction. If minus di by dt is equal to 1 ampere per second. So what happened? M is equal to E. From this we are defined coefficient of self-induction, coefficient of mutual induction. What is the definition of coefficient of mutual induction? To write the definition of coefficient of mutual induction, you write this equation, then after you write this: if minus di by dt is equal to 1 ampere per second, m is equal to E. Now you want to define induced EMF in the secondary coil, in the coil per negative rate of, why negative rate of? Minus is there, minus negative rate of flow of, negative rate of flow of 1 ampere current. How much? 1 ampere current in 1 second time is called coefficient of mutual, coefficient of mutual induction. This is the definition. What is the definition of coefficient of mutual induction? Induced EMF in the coil per negative rate of flow of 1 ampere current in 1 second time is called coefficient of mutual induction. This is also means coefficient of induction. This is also called mutual inductance. What it is called? Coefficient of mutual inductance. Coefficient of mutual induction is also called mutual inductance. Okay, this definition is important for 2 marks. Okay, what is the definition for coefficient of mutual induction? Induced EMF in the coil per negative rate of flow of 1 ampere current in 1 second time is called coefficient of mutual induction. The mathematical expression for coefficient of self induction and coefficient of mutual induction both are the same. Self induction is L, E by minus dA by dt. Mutual induction also same. Means the mathematical expression for self induction and mutual induction both are the same. That is L, otherwise M is equal to E by minus dA by dt. These two are very important for 2 marks question.